coming, sir?
Yes, please, please.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good. Please take over.
Thank you, sir.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us start with the interview.
one request, can I take the mask because
Oh,
weather
no,
is...
issue, no issue, no issue. You can remove it.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So first of all, introduce yourself without disclosing your name, your state, and your caste and your religion.
Yes. Sir, I have done my schooling 10th and 12th from Kanpur itself. My graduation is from Kanpur University. Thereafter, I started preparation for civil services. Meanwhile, I am also doing earning and learning. That is, I am doing tuition for the students from class 6 to 8, and I am teaching them social studies.
And your hobby?
So my hobby is listening music, and especially Jubin Nautiyal sir's music I like the most.
And one thing, your strength and weakness.
Sir, my strength, as my family members and my peers told me, and what I also believe is my compassionate nature towards others. And sir, my weakness, what I believe is little bit I am critical to some thoughts.
Okay. Tell me about your graduational subjects.
Sir, I have done my graduation from sociology and modern history.
Sociology and modern history.
Yes, sir.
You belong from Bihar?
No, sir, I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh.
Yes. That's why I am asking.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about the condition of women in Uttar Pradesh.
So human? Sorry, sir?
Condition of women in Uttar Pradesh.
So humans in Uttar Pradesh?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, conditions of humans are similar all over India as in Uttar Pradesh also. Sir, I believe humans in Uttar Pradesh are much more happy and contented with their conditions. They can survive in any condition, in any place, and they have a comfortable zone wherever they go, sir.
Okay. And something women condition of Bihar.
Sir, I think, sir, sir, in Bihar also the similar condition arises because Bihar people are very
Can
much...
you compare the conditions of women in Bihar and Uttar Pradesh?
Yes, sir.
Because they are going to serve in Bihar and belong to the Uttar Pradesh.
Yes, sir. Sir, in Bihar, sir, as we can see in Corona times also, the people traveled from various places. So we can say that Mushkil Waqt Bihari Sat. So this is the fittest proverb for Bihari people. And so similar in the case of Uttar Pradesh also people. So they go to other places for their survival, and they both have a capability to sustain their life in whichever place they want. And sir, we can also see our UP and our Bihar people also went to international forums, and they have stated their representation there also, sir.
Are you familiar with the culture of Bihar? Because you are going to serve Bihar Administrative Services.
Yes, sir. Sir, a little bit I can explain if you allow me, sir.
Yeah, yes, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, the biggest festival, sir, of Bihar is Chhath Puja, sir, which is celebrated after, sir, before or after Diwali, and sir, they celebrated with a joyous manner all over the world, and wherever places they are celebrated with full joyous, by mesmerizing with their family also, sir. And so second is somewhat similar to our UP also. So they celebrate Eid, Diwali, Holi. This much I can remember.
This is common in all over India.
Yes, sir.
What is special in Bihar?
So special is their, sir, cultural heritage. That is their, sir, Lok Geet. So their Lok Geet I like a little bit. I know about them, sir. And their Bhojpuri language is famous all over the world, sir.
Okay. You are optionally sociology.
Yes, sir.
So tell me about, can you define what is society?
So society is a group of individual or a person living
It
together.
is not a group of individuals.
Yes, sir.
Then what is group?
So group is a people, so many people together.
And what is community?
So community where group resides. Sorry sir, I am not able.
You have studies
Yes sir.
sociology in your graduation, and you have optional
Yes sir.
sociology.
Yes sir.
So I want not a generalized answer.
Yes sir.
Okay.
Sorry sir, I will study it sir. Sorry sir.
Luis, can you differentiate between women development, women empowerment, and women welfare?
Sir, can I make a guess in your sir?
Can you differentiate among the terms
Yes sir.
women welfare,
Yes sir.
women development,
Yes sir.
and women empowerment?
Yes sir. Sir, in women welfare, we are talking about the services that we are providing them. So, जैसे sir, somewhat schemes like ICDS, sir, Janani Matratva Yojana, sir. And sir, second is women services, which we provide to the women who are deprived or who are underprivileged, sir. And sir, third is sir, women empowerment, sir, in which we give them voice of representation to take their own decisions, sir.
Okay. Tell me five programs of Bihar, especially devoted for the women of Bihar.
Sir, programs.
Yes.
So first I recall from Sat Nishchay .1. Sir,
This is devoted for the women in Bihar.
sir, one program in that is devoted to
Only one program. I want especially five programs
Yes sir.
which are devoted to the women.
Yes sir. Sir, first is Uddami Yojana. So for skill development and the participation in the entrepreneurship. So second is Saksham Mahila Sakshit Mahila. Sorry sir, I am not able to tell it sir. It is in sir Sat Nishchay 2.0 sir. And sir, third is from Mukhyamantri Mahila Utthan Yojana sir. And sir, fourth is from sir. Sir, it is given to sir. Schemes I am not able to recall, sir, but I know the provisions in which the financial assistance is provided to the women or a girl who have passed their inter or graduation, and sir, they are a resident of Bihar and they are unmarried, to give them educational background, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Are you preparing for Uttar Pradesh Civil Services also?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have appeared for it for 2 times.
Then suppose that you are also selected in Uttar Pradesh Civil Services.
Yes, sir.
Then what will be your course of action? You will resign from Bihar services or not?
Sir, if I will get a good post upper than the Bihar, then I would think of it. Otherwise, my main focus will be on the Bihar services itself, sir.
Why Bihar services? You belong to the Uttar Pradesh, your native state is Uttar Pradesh. Why you want to join Bihar services?
Sir, number one is Bihar borders UP. So we have a similar culture and we share very good connection with the people. So second is my uncle lives in Gopalganj. So I believe I have a heart-to-heart connection with Bihar. So third is sir, wherever I will serve it to my fullest, sir. So whether it's UP or sir Bihar.
Okay. Give me a roadmap to develop the Bihar.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I would point in 2 manners into it. So first is economic infrastructure, and sir, second will be my priority in social infrastructure. In social infrastructure, sir, I would put emphasis first on poverty eradication. So second priority will be health infrastructure. So third will be educational infrastructure. And sir, in economic development, economic infrastructure, I would go with agriculture. So second, manufacturing, and sir, third in industry. Sir, in that I would bifurcate in agriculture, like sir, in agro food processing industry, sir. Sir, in agriculture, similarly, sir, aquaculture, sir. And sir, manufacturing, as we know, sir, Bihar lacks in manufacturing in some cases. So we would go for investment zone. So we can establish special economic zones there. So we can give trade rebate and tax rebate to the people who want to set up industry in Bihar, sir. Sir, in the third industry making, sir, we know, sir, Bihar is good in silk industry. Sir, in makhana industry it is very good. So we can establish food clusters, sir, with mega food. Sir, as government has also provided Sampada scheme in which we can give them food, mega food parks we can establish in Bihar, sir. Sir, then social infrastructure, sir, 3 points I have mentioned. Sir, first is poverty. Sir, second is health, and sir, third is education. So first of all, the implementations of all the schemes given by the government is my first priority. So I would go step by step in that.
Okay. Sir, please continue.
Thank you, sir.
You have given Bihar Police Services.
Yes, sir.
What is the reason?
So my first reason for giving Bihar Police Services, sir, I want to give a voice to the women who think they are not secure or believe that we cannot go to police services. So I want to make a representation in that services. So second, sir, I have a uniform attraction very much because sir, I have also opted for army professions, but I was not qualified for it, sir. So this is my.
As you know, Bihar is a infamous for crime situations and crime, but nowadays it has been not so much if you compare with the previous years. So how can you cope up with that situation?
Yes.
Because women generally face in police all these challenges.
So my first priority will be reviewing all the programs that the government has made for the women's security or the security of the people overall. Then I would see where we are lacking in it. So second, I would go for police, sir, moral policing, which is very important for empowerment of the people, because people think that police is not their friend. They are afraid of police. So moral policing is very important. And so third, it will be my training our team members in order to get gender sensitization towards women, sir.
But nowadays the real problem is government has reserved 30% of the seats in all the government jobs, in police services also. Many of the IPS officers feel that after reserving those seats, especially in police services, they feel some crunch of actual human power, because women do not chase in actual circumstances. They want to only serve in urban areas, not in rural areas. Have you any idea about that?
Yes, sir. Sir, if you allow me, sir, I would like to give you one example, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I remember the famous case of Miss Lippy Singh, sir, which has created a lot of happiness towards people, and she has maintained a very good image while serving in Gopalganj also, sir, and in Siwan also, sir. So, sir, I believe if we are given the chance, sir, we can do in every ground whatever may be. Yes.
Next question, the geography of the Bihar.
Yes, sir.
In your vision, how the development of Bihar would be your prioritizing, in which field? Suppose that agriculture field. I am giving you some field, this agriculture field. What will be your roadmap?
Sir, as we know, sir, Krishi roadmap third is there, sir, in which we can work on first organic farming. So second is aquaculture. So third is as floods are prevalent. So we know after floods the soil fertility increases threefold. So sir, we can work on that fertility soil. As we know, sir, makhana cultivation, banana culture, and sir means sir that floriculture can also be done, sir, in Bihar. So fourth, if we go for sir, fisheries also is a very good hub for Bihar. As we know, Madhubani area is very much fertile for fisheries, sir. So, sir, this will be my priority, and sir, we can bring a silent industrial revolution also by catalyzing these things in Bihar, sir. Green revolution, sir.
Nowadays, population policy is in the limelight.
Yes, sir.
And it belongs to UP also. UP government is in a is approaching drafting a policy, but Bihar is opposing that policy. What is the reason?
So recently our Honorable CM Mr. Nitish Kumar said that curbing population cannot be done via policy itself. We need self-restraint measures. So I totally believe in it, sir. Sir, we have to first adopt self-restraint measures. Sir, first, second, then sir, empowering women and men also. Sir, in using contraceptives and other measures. Sir, third is policy making is a very good option to curb the people by mishandling the other uses. So, sir, I believe both the things can go hand in hand, sir.
Are you aware of the international convention about population control policies? Have any convention?
Sir, may I make a guess in it, sir?
Yes.
Sir, sir, I think UN Population Fund is there for it, sir. And sir, convention, sir, I cannot recall it, sir, right now, sir.
Why the government of India not formulating those population policies? Why the state governments are initiating those processes?
Yes, sir. Sir, as India is a democratic country, and sir, Article 19 we have a freedom of speech and expression, and in Article 21 we have a freedom, a right to life. So, sir, according to it, we are constitutionally bound towards not making any policy which can restrain our citizens from formulating or their own decisions.
And the policy should be initiated by, suppose that only we heard the Bihar government is opposing, UP government is framing, Kerala is framing, or Haryana is. Why not government of India is framing such a laws?
Yes.
What is the reason?
Sir, I believe population is a concurrent subject, and sir, state and a center both can frame laws for it, sir.
The central government is lacking on those areas, on those fronts?
Sir, they are not lacking, but sir, they are coordinating towards the states also who wants to make their own policy. They are helping them in legislation services, sir. And sir, one more point I recall of UN, sir. Sir, in that, women has given women's the choice to their body, sir. So they have the choice to make their own family, sir.
Role of women or role of men? Which is most important in curbing population control policies?
Sir, both are equally responsible because a family or a group of because a family or a marriage is a bond of two people, a special bond of two people. So in family making also, sir, both are responsible for their family future. So sir, both should be concerned and both should be aware of their rights.
Nowadays, OTT platform is in the news.
Yes, sir.
In which year the government started policies to control OTT platform? In which year?
So may I make a guess? Sir, in 2021 itself, sir, I think IT Rules and Regulations Act were passed.
Can you name the exact naming of those act? This act?
No, sir, I cannot recall it, sir. Sorry, sir.
Coronavirus appeared in 2019. COVID-19, it is a new name. Had it appeared in 2019 or before it?
Sir, in India, sir?
Yes, in India. In India, overall, global.
Yes, sir. So, first case of corona was found in Kerala in 2009.
No. I am asking a question.
Yes, sir.
COVID-19 appeared in 2019.
Yes, sir.
But before that, any cases of coronavirus, before we heard of it, before 2019,
Sir,
it means it can be 2000 or 2005 or 2010
sir, in India or sir, in world?
at global level.
Yes, sir.
Coronavirus is new to 2019 only or not?
Sir, it is not new to 2019 only. We have heard the cases in China beforehand also. Sir, in November, I believe, sir, we have heard the cases of COVID. Yes, sir.
Next questions.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Recently you told marriage is a bond of two people.
Yes, sir.
As a student of sociology,
Yes, sir.
I want to know the definition of marriage.
Sir, exact definition, sir, I am not able to recall, sir. So, may I make my own opinion, sir?
Okay.
Sir, marriage is a special relationship of two people in which they are bound by affinity or by consanguinity, and they help each other in their course of time, sir.
And what is marriage in Muslim community?
Sir, it is also a bond, so similar to Hindu.
It is not a bond.
Yes.
It is a contract.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Get my point?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
So, when it is contract,
Yes, sir.
then how you can discuss it is a bond of two people.
Yes, sir.
Only different thing from the contract.
Yes, sir.
So,
Thank you, sir.
I will discuss later.
Yes,
We are going to join police services of Bihar.
sir.
So first of all, what you will do to improve the police condition in Bihar as a police reform?
So my first point will be moral policing. So second will be wherever I would be in outpost, wherever I would be posted to take the direction or the supervision, I would lead my team in a team spirit. I would motivate them and I would make them aware of their rights also, and to make them sensitive towards the people also. So third, as we know, sir, Bihar government has launched Ladli Cox for the girls of Bihar. So in the same frame, I would go with their decision, and I would more empower the ladies or the women of Bihar, sir. So fourth, for old people and so for disabled people, our policing should be more sensitive towards them. So sir, my fifth point will be making infrastructure which is accessible to the disabled people and sir, old people. With the help of administration, we would have a discussion and we can make a friendly police.
Okay. Last two questions.
Yes, sir.
First, after marriage, your husband told you that आपके पति ने कहा घर छोड़ दो या नौकरी छोड़ दो,
Yes, sir.
तो क्या करोगे?
Sir, as an empowered woman, I know the decision of my husband will be in my favor only, because
Suppose that.
Sir, as an independent woman, I would go with my decisions, what I think will be right at that time, sir.
And suppose that कि आपको दोनों में से एक को choose करना हो, what will you choose?
Sir, I would go with नौकरी, because sir, नौकरी है तो हम कहीं पे भी सर अपना घर बसा सकते हैं सर. एक फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस होना सर बहुत ज़रूरी है एक लेडी के लिए. तो सर मुझे लगता है कि वो मेरे इस डिसीजन को रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे और मेरा साथ देंगे सर.
Okay. And last question.
Yes, sir.
Widow remarriage is a problem in our society.
Yes, sir.
Suppose that. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
एक आदमी है, वह अपनी विधवा पत्नी की बहन से शादी करना चाहता है, तो उसे क्या एज ए स्टूडेंट ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी उसे क्या चैलेंजेस फेस करने हैं?
सर चैलेंजेस तो सर बहुत कम हो गए हैं, बिकॉज हमारी सोसाइटी इवॉल्व हो रही है, हम एक डेवलपिंग सोसाइटी की तरफ जा रहे हैं सर. लेकिन फिर भी अगर सर चैलेंजेस होंगे तो सर पहला तो एक सोशल अट्रॉसिटी हो सकती है उनको सर. सर दूसरा, उनकी खुद की फैमिली की तरफ से ऑब्जेक्शंस हो सकते हैं कि वो किसी विधवा महिला से क्यों शादी कर रहे हैं जब उनके पास ऑप्शंस हैं. सर तीसरा है कि तीसरा तो मुझे नहीं लगता है कि इन दोनों के अलावा सर होगा, क्योंकि सर लीगल में तो हम बता सकते हैं कि कानून हमारा साथ देगा, क्योंकि विधवा मैरिज को हम खुद सर हम प्रमोट करते हैं हमारी सरकार. तो इन दो प्रॉब्लम के अलावा सर मुझे नहीं लगता उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है.
Okay, thank you.
Some more questions from my side.
Yes, sir.
Savitri Bai Phule.
Yes, sir.
Have you any information or what is the contribution of Savitri Bai Phule?
Yes, sir. Sir, first she was good in her reforms in marriage also, sir, and sir also she has contributed in education also, sir. And she was the wife of Jyotirao Phule. So, sir, they have done a tremendous work in anti-caste movements also, sir.
और विवेकानंद को भारत का नेशनल मूवमेंट का किस तरीके से आध्यात्मिक पिता कहा जाता है? स्पिरिचुअल फादर ऑफ इंडियन नेशनलिज्म.
तो शिकागो 1893 में जो उन्होंने स्पीच दी थी यूनिवर्सल ब्रदरहुड पे, उसको लेकर सर उनका बहुत ज़्यादा फेम हुआ सर. उन्होंने हमारे इंडिया को एक ब्रदरहुड में और जो रिलीजन पे उनके जो थॉट्स थे, सर वो बहुत अच्छे माने जाते हैं और सर आज भी हम उनको रेलेवेंट मानते हैं और इसीलिए सर उनको हम एक यूथ आइकन के रूप में भी इंडिया में देखते हैं।
नहीं, मैंने जो क्वेश्चन पूछा था, मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि भारत के राष्ट्रीय
सर
नेशनल मूवमेंट स्पिरिचुअल फादर ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल, मेरी फादर है Mahatma Gandhi, but he was the spiritual father of Indian history because you have studied modern history in graduation.
Yes, sir.
Why he is called? Not at a global level,
Yes, sir.
for particularly Indian history. Have any, in your opinion, have Vivekananda, the assessment of Vivekananda role in the Indian nationalism?
Sir, yes,
Has any role or not?
Yes, sir. Definitely, he has a role in our national movement, sir. Sir, may I make a guess in this, sir? So first about his thoughts of religion, he wanted to make a unified religion in which Hindu, Muslim or whatever the religion may be, they have to live in a universal way, in a universal brotherhood. The meaning of fraternity was first of all told by him only, that we have to be in a one religion whatever the cost may be. So sir, I think that spiritual motivation motivated the youth and the other leaders of our country to move forward in a league for the national movement, sir.
Can you name some of the leading women at that time in the and those assessment of the contribution in the Indian national movement, especially name of the words?
Yes, sir. So Indian and sir.
Yes, Indian and it can be global.
Yes, sir.
For foreign.
Yes, sir. So first I would like to tell of Sarojini Naidu ji. Sir, second is Jyotiba Phule, जैसे आपने बोला सर, ज्योतिबा राव फुले।
ज्योतिबा राव फुले, सावित्री बाई।
हाँ, sorry सर, सावित्री बाई, sorry सर, extremely sorry सर। सर थर्ड मैं मानती हूँ सर मैडम बीका जी कामा। सर फोर्थ इज आनंदी बेन। सर फिफ्थ आई वुड लाइक टू टेल अबाउट सर अंडरग्राउंड रेडियो उषा मेहता जी का। सर 5 आई एम एबल टू रिकॉर्ड सर राइट नाउ।
इट मीन्स, इसका मतलब ये है कि लोकल लेवल पे क्या महिलाओं ने कोई योगदान नहीं दिया? आपने तो बड़े बड़े नाम बताए, लेकिन उत्तर प्रदेश की अगर हम बात करें या बिहार की हम बात करें, तो उसमें लोकल लेवल पे क्या महिलाओं को केवल 5 ही लोगों ने कंट्रीब्यूशन?
सर सॉरी सर, मैं मेंशन करना भूल गई सर, राजेंद्र प्रसाद जी की सर वाइफ भी थी, मैं उनका सर नाम नहीं बता पा रही हूँ सर, उन्होंने भी उनके अंडरग्राउंड मूवमेंट में हेल्प करी थी सर। और सर जब जयप्रकाश जी का सर मूवमेंट हुआ था उस पर भी विमेंस का पार्टिसिपेशन सर बहुत ज़्यादा था सर। और सर जब नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट था और सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट था सर, उसको एक हम मेजर वुमेंस मूवमेंट ही मानते हैं सर, उस पर विमेंस का पार्टिसिपेशन बहुत अच्छा था सर। सर मैं अभी नाम को रिकॉल नहीं कर पा रही, उसके लिए क्षमा चाहती हूँ सर।
So, your interview is over.
थैंक यू सर।